Hello Year 11, are you worried about the forthcoming mock and your listening exam? Well, fear not, we've tidied up Google Classroom and put a few features together to help you revise. Don't forget, there are 8 questions worth 12 marks each, which we've been completing all year, and they are on the 4 areas of study. The first one being musical forms and devices. So if you click on this, it will take you to a Google slide, and all the words that have come up in the past papers are here. There's only one question on more musical forms and devices because the other question is related to the Badineri. But these words, some of which have come up more than once, have a definition. Remember, you don't have to write a definition as to what anacrusis means, but if you click on it, it takes you to a YouTube explanation of what an anacrusis is. So your skill is hearing, being able to spot these features, not having to write about them. The Badineri itself, we have lots of information we've been working on. There's a PowerPoint with features on the dates, historical relevance, those questions will come up, and then there are some features about the actual piece and the analysis. Music for ensemble will undoubtedly feature a song, pop song or musical theatre song. It will ask questions possibly about the types of singers, types of different ensembles, instruments, but don't forget key signatures, time signatures, cadences are always coming up. Film music is slightly different. There are 2 questions, and the table will show you the words that have come up. Very often in film music, they're looking instruments, percussion instruments. Do you know your percussion instruments? It's come up 4 times. But again, major, minor, tonics, dominants, those key words will be there. But also, film contains the 10 marker. This is a nice little table that will tell you how a film composer might compose to create a mood or a scene. For example, leaps, disjunct or chromatic melodies could be for making you feel uncomfortable, or it might be a baddie, whereas major keys and stepwise movement creates a more relaxed scene. And here are some examples of what pupils have written with marks. Have a listen to them. There's a scaffolding exercise there for you to listen to a piece of music from Batman and see if you can fill in examples, and then use your MAD t-shirt. It's crucial to use the MAD t-shirt in order to improve your skills. You've got to say what happens and how it makes you feel. That's the crucial thing. Pop music, there will only be one question because the other one will be on Africa, so pop has all the words that have come up there. And finally, lots of information on Africa. There is the recording, there's some information like a knowledge organizer and some exam type questions. Now, if you're not happy with some of your knowledge of various musical features, have a look in the How Music Works topic. Treble clef notation is important. There'll be questions that come up. You don't have to be fluent, but some of you are and have been studying music for years, so you don't need to look at this. Bass clef, you may have to. Oral dictation, everyone needs help with being able to write down a piece of music. There are some excellent websites to go and have a look at there, which we've tried. Cadences. If you don't know your cadences, have a look at the videos. It's all about hearing things. It's not about writing. Can you hear these things? So in your spare time, ask yourself questions, whatever you're listening to, film music, pop music, whatever it is, ask yourself the same old questions. What kind of tempo? What instruments can you hear? What mood is being portrayed? What chords? How many chords? Is it major? Is it minor? Ask yourself these questions at everything you listen to, and you'll find that you'll be able to answer the questions much more confidence. Good luck.